solution for you.
Click the bell icon into all and like the video if you like it. Okay, and if you have any question related to education, related to technical, just click on the Telegram app and search here Mr. MRWIP, Mr. Wip. If any question you have to search Mr. Wip on Telegram. Hello, today I will show you how to make Roblox games on your account on your mobile. So if you open your mobile and go to the Play Store and you search here Roblox. For example, I say to you there is a Roblox or Roblox. Okay, you search here Roblox, the Roblox app will come to you, and if you open the Roblox app but you can't create app in this, okay, so what can you do? So you just simply install the Telegram app, install Telegram app. Okay, install Telegram app. After installing Telegram app, you have to just wait, open this. After opening this, search here MRWIP, Mr. Web. MRWIP, search here Mr. Web and click here. This is the channel and you have, there is a join button, you have to join this channel. After joining button, I have entered this is a share button. So you, if you don't found this, okay, if you don't found this, what can you do? Just click on the three dot button and search here create games, create game and search here. Click on the search button. These option will come to you this page. Okay, and you have to just click on this link. Okay, now I click on this link. After when I click on this link, I am going to the web browser. Okay, and this is the web browser in which the Roblox is opening to me. But what can you do? You have just wait for it. Okay, this will open to you, but are you know these things is will come to you. You have to click on the create, you have to log in this. After login this, you have to click on the create button. After click on the create button, just wait for it. Roblox is available on window. Okay, now this Roblox studio is available on window and Mac. Okay, so this tell to you that you need a window, but what can you do? Just click on the three dot button. After clicking on the three dot button, search here desktop site. This is a desktop site, you have to click here. After this, you have to click on the create button. After creating button, this is coming to you. You have to just click on the start creating. After starting creating, the everything is going, and you have to, if you have a knowledge about Roblox, then you can create download studio. Without studio you cannot, so I don't